Hello, everybody. Hello. Oh, we just found a lost dog. Oh, this is so cute. Well, it looks like there's a... Hey, come here. Hey, sit there. Looks like it has an owner, but it's lost around here. Ugh. We're like round on this barn, like my parents came to work. Come on, let's go. Hey. High five. Wait, sit. Okay, give me a hand, high five. Forget you.
Boy. Catch it.
Nah, why would he catch that? He's not even gonna eat it. Or whatever, looks like he did. For right now, we're gonna call him Buddy.
Buddy.
Cause he's our lost lonely friend.
Oh my gosh, he's a good catcher.
True. Wait, let's go take him around this place. I haven't seen this place before. This is my first time.
There.
Well, it looks like this is a barn. We're in the barn. Like our parents came to work here. Wow, this is kind of weird place, but you can see the moon. You can see the moon.
Oh, the moon.
Yeah. Looks like it's almost be a nighttime. Buddy.
Oh man.
Dang, he's a good looking shaped dog.
Hey.
Hey.
Buddy.
Hand. Hey, look, Buddy. Go catch it. Hey.
Good boy.
Hey.
He tried to catch.
Hey.
Buddy.
Just send them kisses, that's all. That's all you got to do.
He's going around there.
Come on, let's go through a few laps. Hey.
Jump. I can't hit. There you went. Hit that tire shoes. Buddy was like this. And lay down.
Yeah.
Lay down.
Buddy. Lay down. Hey. Lay down.
Lay down.
No, lay down.
Hi, goes that.
Oh, well, looks like she doesn't want to. It looks like he doesn't want to lay down. Looks like. Okay, she wants to lick her hand.
Take it out.
It's cold out here, yo. This dog is fluffy. I don't know how he can stand that much cold. Well, it looks like there's a lost long house. Oh, probably. Right, look. Probably he lives right there. Look. There's a house right there.
But I think it's a Google.
I think that's.
I think that's his.
Yeah, probably came from there. No.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. Probably that's where he goes, huh? Well, at least
you found this house.
Yeah. Finally, he's not lonely. Come on, let's go, buddy. Let's go. Come on. Give me a kiss. Hey, hold the camera. Here. Jump on. Get on.
I have to run.
There you go. No. Give me a kiss. There, you give me a kiss there. Now let's watch Jair do it. Let's watch Jair do it. Okay, let's go. Yeah, jump on.
Jump on your butt.
Oh, there! Gave me a kiss. Gave me a kiss. Go. Run.
Oh wow, this is cool.
Their dog is so fun. Well, this is our first video on this new channel. We're trying our best to complete our mission, our goals. Well, this is actually awesome. There's a lot of rocks here. the other time he lay down, I don't get it how he can do with all these bumps.
Yeah, he let him out just right here.
Oh, true. But he was over there.
Oh, yeah, but... Hey, buddy.
Come on.
Oh,
Hey,
Dad.
come back here. Go chase someone.
Ready?
Hey, run, Jade, run.
Buddy.
Wait, what's happening? Why is he not going?
Buddy.
Shoot over. Go. Come on, buddy. Buddy. Come on. Let's go. Wait. Oh, looks like he only follows me.
Let's go.
Go. Follow him. Let's go. Looks like he only wants to stay around me, yo. No, but still, he's your friend. That's good. It's cold out here. Oh, a kiss.
He's a good boy.
True. I just hope. Come on, let's go, buddy. Let's go see what Jair's doing. What are you doing?
That was throwing the blocks up. Let's see if he not hit me. One.
Gee. That wasn't that high. Oh. Let me. Go. Oh, let me. Here, hold the camera.